candle won't stay lit because the breeze coming through the tunnel. Here we go. Okay. Oh my God. Ooh, look at this. Oh, wow. Oh my God, this is fantastic. Ooh, look at this. Holy shit. Excuse my French. Whoa.
Hey guys.